Welcome to Fingerboard Life. This is our quick review of the door stopper by Dead Billy. It's a little wooden, called like a little mini launch ramp, and we'll show you what we do with it, how we use it, our thoughts on it. So it's a solid piece of zebra wood. It's got some good weight to it, nice and heavy, solid, durable. Doesn't look like that edge is gonna break or wear down too quickly. And it's inexpensive, it's fun to use, and it's a great addition to your park. So it's fun to combine with other obstacles. Thanks for watching.